Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Today morning, I mentioned very clearly that if the trend is up and if there is a profit booking, the third day low will be the low for the short term. So as expected, Nifty opened lower, and then from the opening itself, within first 15-20 minutes, market started recovering. And then after that, throughout the day, the markets traded with some kind of positive bias. At some point of time, Nifty even taken out 23,600. So because the rally from 22,000 to 23,900, which was very, very sharp. So this kind of profit booking, minor correction is actually good for the markets. The more it vertically moves, the more it's likely to fall. The pain will be very high. So for next week, of course, this March series is already over. From tomorrow, we will start the April series. And for the April series, for the short term, the high is 23,869. The 23,869 has to be taken out for the further upward momentum in the market. On the downside, today's low is a very, very important. And if today's low is broken, then 23,300 will be the next support. It all depends upon the global cues and FII figures. So yesterday, the way it was falling for second straight day, we thought FII would be the net sellers, but on the contrary, yesterday FIIs were net buyers. That is one of the main reasons why today market, was in green so much. US markets are struggling for direction. So until April 2, this uncertainty is likely to go. So we need to wait and see on April 2 what the Trump is going to announce. And today it was more of a stable expiry, except for the first 15-20 minutes. There was a sudden move about 150 points. But then after that, it was like the whole day it was trading around 23,600 range only, without any big move. So February and March, two series, a treacherous series we can say, from 23,200 went to 23,800. So then from there it fell 1,800 points, then again shot up 1,900 points, again fell 500 points. But at least one thing is good thing is that, so the March month closed positive on a monthly candle. Remember, from October onwards, October, November, December, January, February, 5 months continuously markets closed lower. So that it has been turned around in the month of March. And not only that, in the last 2 weeks, FIAs have pumped in huge amount of money. So they covered their shorts aggressively. So therefore, we can say the worst is over. And for April series, we will do analysis later because I'm out. So I'm not able to do the video. So that's why I've done the audio podcast. And there is no point in talking about open interest, this and that, because today the monthly expiry is over. So tomorrow let the open interest build up. Then we will discuss. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.